Hi, so this is my HCP final project, which is a racing game called fuelduel. So on the main menu, you can see there's an option to mute the music and the sound effects. There's also an option to view the controls for the game and the instructions on how to play it. There's also a customization page where you can choose from each of these 9 car colors. And then if you go back to the main menu, you can view this race preview screen where it will show you the times you need to get all of the stars, which is the main goal of the game, your personal best time, and how many stars it gives you. So I'm going to only be doing 2 laps, but for this race, can steer and you can stop by these fuel cans, and they will increase your fuel meter. Whenever they increase your fuel meter, you'll be able to move faster, but the fuel meter will also drain as you drive, which means that you have to collect these as much as possible. If you wanted, you could also hang back like I am going to do here. So you can stop and then collect another fuel can so that you can get a faster speed. But in doing this, it will also be more difficult to control your car because you might run into the grass, and in doing that, you'll be slowed down. So as this continues, you'll eventually complete all 3 laps, and then after doing that, you will be put to this results screen. It will show you how many stars you got, your time, and whether or not it's a personal best. So that's all my program has, so thank you for watching.